Welcome to our channel where we make your design journey smoother and faster. Welcome to our channel where we make your design journey smoother and faster. Logging into your Dribbble Pro account is a straightforward process that unlocks a world of design inspiration and professional tools. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Dribbble website. Once there, locate the login button typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. Here you will see fields to input your credentials. Begin by entering the email address associated with your Dribbble Pro account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, enter your secure password into the password field. If you have saved your login information in the browser, autofill features can speed up this step. After entering your details, simply click on the login button. If the information is correct, you will be redirected to your Dribbble Pro dashboard, where you can access your projects, networking opportunities, and design inspiration. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry, just click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset it for added security. Enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This extra layer helps protect your valuable design work and personal information. Remember, staying logged in on a private device can make future logins quicker, but always log out if you're using a public or shared computer. Now that you know how to easily log into your Dribbble Pro account, dive in and explore the limitless possibilities available to you.